We're diving into the world of immunohistochemistry with a focus on the LMO2 test. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Pre-test information. Let's start with the essentials. Before you undergo the LMO2 test, there are a few important pieces of information you'll need to provide. Firstly, you'll need to bring a copy of your histopathology report. This helps ensure that the test results are accurate and relevant to your specific case. Next, make sure to note the site of the biopsy. This detail is crucial as it helps the pathologist understand where the tissue sample was taken from. And lastly, your clinical history. This includes any previous diagnosis or relevant health information. It gives the medical team a complete picture of your health status. Specification of the test. Moving on to the specifics of the LMO2 test. LMO2 is a transcription factor that plays a key role in regulating the vascular and hematopoietic systems. It's particularly involved in hematolymphoid neoplasia, which means it can provide valuable insights into certain types of blood cancers. LMO2 is mainly expressed by germinal center B cells, but can also be found in erythroid and myeloid precursors, and even in megakaryocytes. Its presence in these cells helps in identifying specific types of blood-related cancers. Diseases associated. In terms of diseases, LMO2 expression has been observed in lymphoblastic leukemia and acute myeloid leukemia. It's a useful marker in diagnosing these conditions. However, it's rarely expressed in mature T cells, natural killer cells, or plasma cell neoplasms. You'll also find it absent in non-hematolymphoid tissues, except for endothelial cells. Specimen used. For the LMO2 test, a tissue biopsy specimen is used. This sample is examined to determine the presence of LMO2 protein. Components included. The test itself includes several components, such as antibodies specific to LMO2 and other reagents necessary for staining and analysis. These components work together to highlight the presence of LMO2 in your tissue sample. Test report time. And finally, the test report time for LMO2 is typically around 7 days. This time frame allows for thorough analysis and accurate reporting. Conclusion. In summary, the LMO2 test is a vital tool in diagnosing and classifying certain hematolymphoid malignancies. It helps in distinguishing between types of lymphomas, such as differentiating follicular lymphoma, which is LMO2 positive, from nodal marginal zone lymphoma, which is LMO2 negative.